Hello everyone, it is iRaven here, and today we're going to be testing some smoke detectors in the cottage I'm staying at for vacation. And there's a lot of them, really. There's one right here, right there, and one upstairs. So we're going to test this one first. You just have to get your hand in there somehow. And then yeah, the piezo on that one is screwed. There's this one. We're gonna get this. This one does not speak, by the way. And it is the Okay. Now we need to get a chair. Whoa. Okay, there's this one. This is a 9-volt battery one as well. Okay. Okay. Now let's do the one upstairs, which is above the TV, and is a real interesting one. This one is a sealed battery, which I hate those, and I need to move another chair because I'm short. Okay. I know it's a rocking chair, but that's all I have. And then it hushes itself. Okay, yeah. That was it. And I'll see you next time in an iRaven short.